Uh, Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now if you're like me, when the time gets hot, you need something on your skin that is going to help to cool the skin, that is going to help to hydrate the skin, that is going to help you to feel fresh, your skin going to feel just soft and supple. So guess what I'm doing for you today? I'm going to show you how to make an homemade anti-aging hydrating facial serum. This is all water-based, all natural. That is going to hydrate the skin, plump the skin up, smooth the wrinkles and fine lines without leaving a greasy feel at all. This facial serum is so refreshing. You can use it AM and PM and it's going to get the job done. But best of all, it's a summer hydrator that you will want to apply on your skin right throughout the day. Really refreshing, really hydrating, but guess what guys, really effective. So if you're looking for a summer facial serum that you can hydrate the skin and have your skin just naturally glowing, follow me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. I'm also going to show you how to use it on your skin for best results. Our first ingredient is cucumber, and today we're using cucumber for its antioxidant properties. Cucumber contains vitamin C and folic acid. Vitamin C has the ability to stimulate new cell growth, while folic acid helps in fighting off environmental toxin that can make your skin look tired or prematurely age. Cucumber also provides hydration to the skin since it is high in water content. So definitely an amazing ingredient to use on your skin. Today I'm going to be using a quarter of a medium cucumber, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash the cucumber and I'm going to chop it for easier blending. Now do not peel the cucumber since the cucumber peel contains most of the vital essential antioxidant that you need for your skin. So I'm chopping this because my blender is small. If you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you could grate the cucumber. So once we're done chopping, I'm going to add this to a blender. So I'm just going to add the cucumber to my blender, and you're not going to add any water to this. You're going to blend this as is. So let's just blend. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have the cucumber, and what we're going to do, we are going to strain. All we need is the cucumber juice. So just extract your cucumber juice. And take a look, here we have it. This is our cucumber juice. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of our cucumber juice. My next ingredient is rose water, and rose water is very hydrating to the skin. It's perfect to use as a facial toner, and it's perfect to use along with the cucumber. So I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of the rose water, and I'm pouring this in with my cucumber. And the next ingredient is aloe vera gel. You can choose to use whatever kind of aloe vera gel you have. I'm using 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and I'm pouring this in with the cucumber. Next, we're going to add some vegetable glycerin. This is optional, however, and I'm using about a half a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerin. Pour this in. Optional, guys. Now, if you do not have vegetable glycerin, you could go ahead and use some honey. However, if you're vegan, you know you have to leave the honey out. So I'm going to use a little bit of the honey, about a half a teaspoon of the honey in this also. And now, next, we're just going to mix this together. We're going to mix well. And it's going to be very jelly-like because of the aloe vera gel. And that's exactly how you need this serum to be. So mix well. Make sure to totally dissolve the honey in the mixture. This is very refreshing, guys. This is perfect for the summertime, especially when you're not looking to have your skin greasy. This is just water-based, totally penetrate deep into the skin, hydrates the skin, and leave the skin very refreshing and feeling good. It's perfect to use a summer evening, guys, when you're just really, really hot, but you want that hydration on the skin. Now, once this is completely blended, I'm going to store mine in a small jar. Store it in any small jar you have. And now we're going to just pour this in. Very, very jelly-like, guys. It's just perfect. And take a look. Here you have your anti-aging facial serum. A perfect serum, guys, for the summertime. Very hydrating, very refreshing. I suggest you store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 to 10 days is good. And guys, this is amazing. Now take a look at my hand right here. I don't like to dip in, so I'm just gonna dip my little thingy here, and look at what is gonna happen to this, guys. This is so hydrating, guys. This just disappear in the skin. For those of you with oily skin, this is your anti-aging home serum, guys. Just disappear in the skin. For those of you who are out in the sun a lot, this is good to use on the skin since it is loaded with the aloe vera gel. Guys, I'm telling you, when you take this out of your refrigerator, really chill on a hot summer day, and you put a little on your skin, ooh, 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 ooh. It doesn't take long to dry on the skin. Really, really an amazing anti-aging facial serum. Now let me just take a little bit of the serum, and look at that, all water based, guys, and just apply it, and it's gonna feel a little bit, you know, jelly like. That's okay because we use a aloe vera gel in this. And look at that, guys, just totally blend in the skin. Really an amazing anti-aging hydrating serum. Now you can choose to use this on your skin AM, PM, during the afternoon. It doesn't matter what time of the day you use this on the skin. For those of you with dry skin and the time is really hot, you can actually just use this right throughout the day. Okay, guys, this is just a perfect hydrating moisturizer for your skin. So there you have it, guys. What an amazing combination of natural ingredients. Not only is this serum really amazing, guys, but the fact that it gets the job done, the fact that most people can use this serum, the fact that you can just apply it to your skin and just leave it on your skin like that, and your skin is going to feel just really cool and really supple. So guys, give it a go. Make it, use it for a while, and then come back and leave a comment. Oh, before I go, guys, my Instagram, look, this is my Instagram link. Go over there, follow me on Instagram. We have some amazing things coming up on Instagram. We also have a weight loss series that we're going to be starting in August on Instagram. You don't want to miss it, so go over on Instagram and follow us over there. Thank you all for watching, and I'll